Do you ever struggle to get someone or yourself to finish a boring task? You are not alone. Getting through the daily grind often feels impossible, but what if a hidden psychological lever could change everything? Welcome to the powerful behavioral tool known as the Premack Principle. To truly grasp how this works in real life, you need a clear Premack Principle A-B example. Imagine a child who refuses to finish their math homework but desperately wants to play video games. What happens if we cleverly link these two completely opposite activities together? Look closely at this dynamic. By requiring the homework first, we unlock the game. In the realm of Premack Principle psychology, this was discovered by researcher David Premack. He proved that any high-probability behavior can effectively reinforce a low-probability behavior. Isn't that fascinating? You might naturally ask yourself, what is a Premack Principle example in adult life? Think about exercising. Going to the gym is often a low-probability action, but scrolling through social media, that is highly probable. You can use one to motivate the other easily. Understanding exactly how to use Premack Principle tactics can transform your daily habits. In modern behavioral psychology, it is affectionately called Grandma's Rule. You know the classic saying, you have to eat your vegetables before you can have your dessert. It works like absolute magic. Pause and think for a second. Which example illustrates the Premack Principle in your own routine right now? Are you already using it without knowing? Harnessing this concept effectively creates natural positive reinforcement, turning tedious chores into stepping stones toward the rewards you actually desire. Let us look at neurodiversity. What is the Premack Principle for ADHD management? For individuals with ADHD, executive dysfunction makes starting boring tasks excruciating. By structuring the environment so that hyper-focused interests follow mundane tasks, we build an external motivation bridge that boosts daily productivity. The foundation of this technique is deeply rooted in applied behavior analysis. Practitioners heavily rely on a structured Premack Principle ABA approach to help individuals develop crucial life skills. It shifts the focus from punishment to creating a naturally rewarding sequence of positive daily actions. Answer this honestly. Do you respond better to threats or to rewards? Science shows reinforcement wins almost every time. That is why behavior therapy utilizes these exact sequencing strategies. The beauty lies in using existing desires rather than forcing entirely new, unnatural motivational systems. Let us quickly recap the core concept. We take a behavior you avoid and pair it immediately with a behavior you love. Over time, the dreaded task becomes a natural trigger for excitement. You are literally rewiring your brain's anticipation pathways for long-term behavioral success. Mastering this psychological framework gives you an incredible advantage. Whether you are managing a classroom, raising children, or simply trying to organize your own messy life, aligning your natural desires with your necessary duties creates unstoppable momentum. The results will genuinely surprise you every time. Ready to take action? Look around your room right now. What is one chore you are avoiding? Apply the Premack Principle today. If you found this breakdown of Premack Principle psychology helpful, hit that subscribe button for more actionable insights. See you next time.